line of strong to severe thunderstorms will continue to move towards the northeast at around 35 to 40 miles. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Dillon County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Usher County in northern Texas, Wichita County in northern Texas, Clay County in northern Texas, until 2 p.m. At 1:14 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles northeast of Electra to 9 miles northwest of Newport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wichita Falls, Duncan, Britt-Burnett, Henrietta, Walters, Waurika, Animal Park, Electra, Holiday, Comanche, Geronimo, Grenfield, Temple, Land, Petrolia, Scotland, Buzz, Dean, and Woodinville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.